Another great feature of your Now Reach handset is that you can conference up to 3 parties on a call. To initiate a conference call, you first need to be connected on a call. Then touch the Conference soft key. This will automatically place the original caller on hold. You can then either touch a pre-programmed button for the person you would like to add to the conference, or use the dial pad to enter the number you would like to add. Then touch the Dial soft key. When the person answers, you can introduce the conference. Then to add them into the conference, touch the Conference soft key. You will see your display change and the connected parties will be displayed on the screen. If you need to remove participants from the conference, you can select the participant. You will see them highlighted blue. Then touch the Drop soft key to remove them from the conference. If you would like to leave the conference and allow the participants to continue to communicate after you hang up, touch the Leave soft key.